In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view scenario execution history in Make. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to understand when your automations ran, how long they took, and whether anything needs your attention. First, start by logging into Make. Use your usual account and make sure you're in the correct organization or team if you work across multiple workspaces. Access to scenario details can be permission-based, so if you don't see what you expect later on, it may simply be a visibility issue that an admin can help with. Once you're in, head to the left sidebar and click on Scenarios. This is the central hub where all your automations live. If your sidebar is collapsed, hovering near the edge should reveal it. Otherwise, it should be visible by default. Inside Scenarios, you'll see a list of your builds. Clear naming conventions are your friend here, especially if you manage many automations. A concise, descriptive title makes it easier to pick out the right one at a glance. Next, click on the specific scenario you want to view. This opens the scenario detail page where you can configure, review, and monitor that scenario. Take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct one by glancing at its description and modules. This quick check helps avoid confusion if you have similar flows in different environments, such as test and production. From here, go to the History tab. You'll usually find it along the top navigation inside the scenario view. The History tab is where Make records each execution of your scenario. Here you'll see entries that indicate run status, start time, duration, and high-level results. Successful runs are typically clearly marked, while any problems are flagged so they're easy to spot. As you review this page, pay attention to patterns. Consistent runtimes suggest a stable process, while sudden spikes in duration can hint at upstream delays or larger data batches. If an execution shows an error, the history view is the first place you'll notice it, along with a concise message that points you toward what went wrong. You may also notice helpful metadata that can guide troubleshooting and help you estimate costs or usage. If the History tab looks empty, the scenario may not have executed yet, or your workspace may be subject to data retention limits that have cleared older entries. Either way, the presence or absence of rows here tells you a lot about recent activity. That's all there is to it. Log into Make, open Scenarios, select your scenario, and check the History tab. With this quick workflow, you can monitor performance, verify successful runs, and spot issues early. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.